Hi, I'm Dr. Laura Pate, a chiropractic physician at Absolute Healthcare Advanced Chiropractic in Port St. Lucie, Florida. Thanks for joining me again as I bring you another stretching video for demonstration purposes only. Today I have a foam roller with me, and the goal of this stretch is for you to also use a foam roller. Today we're going to be focusing on rolling out our gluteal muscles, trying to really get into the deeper piriformis muscle. Now, foam rollers come in lots of different lengths. This is more about a half of a typical length. It doesn't matter the length of your foam roller for this particular demonstration. You just want to make sure that it is hard foam. It's not soft because you want to have it be able to support the weight of your body. So you want to make sure you're in somewhere stable. I'm not using a yoga mat on the ground. If you're a little bit unstable, you may want to make sure you're near a piece of furniture or near a wall, and just so you can use that for balance. We're going to start by using the foam roller on the right buttock, specifically again targeting that piriformis muscle, one of our deepest gluteal muscles that lays right over your sciatic nerve, tends to be very tight and weak. I do have several previous stretching videos focusing on that muscle as well if you don't have a foam roller. You can get foam rollers pretty much anywhere online and in a multitude of sporting stores or just your general stores like Target, Walmart, TJ Maxx. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn to my side so that you can see what I'm doing. Now, in one of my previous stretching videos, we started in a figure 4 stretch, and then we laid back with that. Now in this stretch, I bent my right ankle and put it on my left knee, and that's where we're gonna start. So I wanted to show you this on the ground. Currently I'm in a very stable position. I do feel that stretch very much. Now as soon as I bring in the foam roller, we are unstable. So again, please always make sure you have a hand holding onto something that's not moving. Like my left hand here will stay on the yoga mat. So to stretch and roll out that piriformis, I'm going to stay in that position, but first I need to put the foam roller under my bottom. Then I'm going to cross my right ankle again over my left knee, and I'm going to kind of lean to the right so that my glute is on the roller, and I'm just going to roll back and forth. Now again, both of my hands are currently on the ground supporting me. You don't want to reach off because look, we'll keep rolling and then you'll fall and could potentially hurt yourself. So I'm just finding that specific spot in my piriformis, and everyone's different. Where your adhesions and tightness are different for everybody. So once you find that spot, which I currently have mine, I'm going to just gently roll back and forth. This helps really loosen up the muscle in the area. You can spend 20 to 30 seconds. You can spend a couple minutes really rolling this out, maybe moving around a little bit to get different angles. You can go further. Just really whatever feels good. It shouldn't be painful. You might feel a little uncomfortable if you're really tight like I am, but it's not pain. It's kind of that good aching, stretching, knowing that I'm really trying to work out these muscles and get rid of the adhesions. When I'm done, I'm going to put my foot down and then slide off and pick up the roller. Now if I wanted to do it on my left side, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to show you from this angle as well. So again, we always want to have one hand on the ground. I'm going to lift up, put the roller under my left bottom, put my left ankle on my right knee. Again, I'm just kind of moving it around to find that tightness in my glute. Once I do, I just gently roll back and forth, loosening up those muscles. Again, it's however is most comfortable for you to feel like you're really getting into those areas that are tight. So again, you roll it out for 20 to 30 seconds. You can stay here for a minute or two. You may find the more you do it and the more you kind of move just slightly by a few inches, you're finding different areas of hypertonicity. So you want to hang out in those as well. I would also advocate for nice deep breaths. And then again, when you're done, you just want to slide it out from under you and return to a comfortable position. Thank you so much for watching. If you are enjoying the videos, I ask that you please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.